Hello guys, so today I will teach you how to force LTE network on your Huawei phone. Okay, normally we will use people will force LTE network by using this force LTE, but it looks like Huawei this apps force LTE not support Huawei phone. So as you can see now, I'm having 4G network on my phone. I'm now in my hometown. It's very hard to get internet connection here, so I must sit outside of my house to get this connection. Okay, so without wasting time, I will teach you. First, you must go to Play Store and you must search for database editor. Sorry for my English, I'm not a fluent English speaker, but I try my best to make you understand. Okay, so first you must find database editor. It looks like this. It look like that, setting database editor. Okay, with logo here, logo blue and red. Okay, and then you must install. I already installed. Then after you install this application, you open, and this is what it looks like on phone. Set edit. Okay, you open this, and then the setting is this device. Okay, you open and nothing happen, and system table, we must choose system table. Okay, and then you must find be careful. Okay, must find, don't fast. Okay, this HW network mode preference. Okay, HW network mode HW network mode preference. Okay, the default setting is only have 9, 3, 2 and 1. So we must edit value. I'm sorry. Okay, this one. Okay, make sure HW network mode preference, and then edit value, and you must put 11 at the end of this value. Okay, normal setting is like this. This is a normal settings or default settings. You must put 1 at the end, and no space. Okay, you must delete this space. No space, all comes together. Okay, and then you save changes. After done, after you edit this value, you must restart your phone, and then after you restart your phone, you will see this. Okay, this is Huawei Nova 2i mobile network. You will see this preferred network type. At the default setting, no LTE only, but after you change that, you will see you will have LTE only preferences lah. Okay, and then you will enjoy the full speed of LTE. Thank you very much, and hope you can make it. Thank you once again. Bye.